Good morning everyone and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. This is Shrikant Chouhan from Kotak Securities, PCG Research. SGX is down more than 60 points for two reasons. One is the US market has fallen ahead of significant inflation data which will come later Thursday, and the other is the cryptocurrency's massive drop due to a specific news flow. The final results of the US elections are yet to come, as votes were split equally between Democrats and Republicans. However, there were hopes that Republicans would take the lead. The index continued to face selling pressure at higher levels even after a technically sound opening. The market opens very close to the levels of 18,300, where we were of the view that we should take some profit on the long positions, and we need to see that whether the market sustains above the levels of 18,300, 18,280 or not, for which it failed, and we saw the market was correcting throughout the day. Towards the end it closed at the lowest point of the day around 18,140, 150. However, if we go through with the entire formation of the market, then the short-term structure of the market is still on the positive side, and till the markets are not breaking and closing below the levels of 18,000, we are not expecting any massive sell-off in the market. However, we need to be careful while the overall performance of the market, because in case if we see the markets are closing below the levels of 18,000, then we can expect further more weakness toward the levels of 17,800. On the higher side, 18,300 is going to act as major resistance, and above that only we can expect 18,440, 450, where the market is having next ultimate resistance. So now from here onward, for the next few days, or I can say for the next 2 days, 18,000 and 18,300 levels are going to act as trend decider level, and on the dismissal of these levels only we can see the next trend emerging. Otherwise we are going to see the range bound activity in the market. The major index Bank Nifty was also down from the highs, but it was above the levels of 41,800, which is positive, and maybe today if we see any recovery in the market in the second half, then we can expect Bank Nifty to move towards the levels of 42,200, 42,250. Other indices are not supporting to the market heavily, and that's the reason we need to be more and more stock specific for the short term. That's all from my side. With this, I'm ending today's morning podcast. Thank you very much for listening us. Have a great day to all of you.